access the fog lights through here. All right, to install these lights, you can either go underneath the bumper, or you can take out that one bolt or two bolts that you have in your fender liner. I don't have both of them in. And the fog light is right there. I'll turn it, pull it out just like that. All right, so it's fairly easy to detach this. All you have to do is press down on this tab in the back. It's right here. And then you can just slide it on out. All right, so I have the other fog light here, the Auxito LED. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did when we took it off. All right, guys, so if anything, fees are a go. I wanna thank Auxito for sending me out these lights. If you're interested in these lights, you can go down in the description below and grab you a pair. These fog lights look amazing. I like the yellow. Pretty impressed with these lights. I'm going to do a night test and you guys let me know what you think. Fog lights and they're yellow. I have the vinyl on my headlights, so you can see the fog lights good enough to this is at night though, it's supposed to be for fog, but if there was fog, that's how much visibility you'll have on the road in front of you. I didn't have fog lights on my other cars. And these are pretty much the first ones that I had installed on this car.